Meanwhile, 6 MILF camps will be developed into productive communities under the proposed peace agreement. These include the main MILF camp, Abu Bakar. Again, here's Freddy Abando.
Camp Abu Bakar, the major stronghold of the Moro Islamic Liberation Front, will be transformed from an area of conflict into peaceful and productive communities. It's one of 6 MILF camps identified as sites for development to be assessed by a joint security task force, which will undertake and implement programs and projects as confidence-building measures in support of normalization.
Briefly, ang layunin po ng normalization ay talagang patungkol doon sa paglalagay ng foundation for a peaceful life and sustainable livelihoods for the free from violence and crime in the communities that previously were affected by the conflict.
Another major breakthrough is the creation of joint security teams from the AFP, the PNP, and the MILF to be named the Bangsa Islamic Armed Force to maintain peace and order in areas identified by the government and MILF panels. They will also conduct joint operations to disband private armed groups to include the Bangsa Moro Islamic Force of Umbrakatu. Today, joint security operations are in progress to contain attacks of Umbrakatu's forces.
Ilalagay po natin sila sa iba't ibang lugar sa loob nitong Bangsamoro political entity at saka yung mga naapektuhan pa ng conflict para tiyakin magsilbi bilang peace and parang somewhat like peacekeeping teams dito sa lugar na to. And this will be the structure that will ensure that there will be a very, very good cooperation between the government and the MILF in securing the peace on the ground.
The most sensitive item in the accord is the decommissioning of all MILF forces. There is an independent decommissioning body with 3 foreign experts which will address the turnover of firearms. This will include the reduction of small firearms.
There is also the matter of amnesty that will require the concurrence of Congress once the parameters for this amnesty, special amnesty program for the MILF would have been put up. But otherwise, largely, yung lalamnin po ng normalization annex are programs that we will be putting in place.
For the People's Television Network, this is Freddy Abando reporting.